The 2025 Jayco Seneca XT 35L Super C Motorhome is an absolute monster of an RV, designed for those who demand both rugged performance and uncompromised luxury. Built on the proven Freightliner S2 RV chassis, it combines the durability of a commercial truck with the comfort of a high-end home. At nearly 37 feet long and powered by a 6.7-liter Cummins diesel engine, pushing out 360 horsepower and 800 lb-ft of torque, this motorhome is built to tow, haul, and conquer virtually any terrain. Whether you're navigating steep mountain passes or cruising along wide-open highways, the Seneca XT delivers a commanding driving experience. With a 12,000-pound towing capacity, you can easily bring along a car, boat, or trailer full of outdoor toys. From the outside, the Jayco Seneca XT makes a bold statement. It's designed with aggressive body lines, a rugged front grille, heavy-duty off-road tires, and a lifted stance that immediately separates it from traditional Class C RVs. It looks more like a tactical command vehicle than a family camper. Built for off-grid adventures, it features upgraded suspension, larger wheel wells, and skid plates underneath to protect critical components on rough terrain. It's clear this isn't just about camping. It's about exploring the uncharted. Step inside, and you're welcomed into a space that feels more like a luxury condo than a motorhome. The interior is outfitted with soft-touch leather seating, ambient LED lighting, and real wood cabinetry. The living space expands thanks to a massive slide-out section, creating a wide, open layout perfect for relaxing or entertaining. A full-size residential refrigerator anchors the gourmet kitchen, which includes a convection microwave, gas cooktop, and solid surface countertops. There's even a fireplace for that extra cozy touch during chilly nights. Toward the rear, you'll find a king-size bed in the master bedroom, surrounded by large windows, personal lighting, and ample storage. The bathroom setup includes a fully enclosed shower and a separate toilet and vanity area, offering more privacy and space than many apartments. On board, you'll find all the tech amenities you could want. The Jayco Command Center lets you control virtually everything: lights, climate, tank levels, from a touchscreen panel or smartphone app. It's solar-prepped, features a powerful Onan diesel generator, and comes lithium battery ready, meaning it's fully equipped for extended off-grid stays. There's also an advanced 360-degree camera system, multiple USB charging ports, and dual touchscreen displays up front for navigation and entertainment. This isn't just a motorhome. It's a mobile base camp for serious travelers who want comfort, capability, and control wherever they go. Whether you're boondocking in the wilderness or tailgating at your favorite sports event, the 2025 Jayco Seneca XT 35L delivers big power, high style, and total freedom. It's the future of luxury RVing on a scale that's hard to match. If you're looking for the ultimate adventure vehicle that combines toughness and tech, this might just be your dream rig on wheels.